Okay, hello everyone. Good day to all of you. Thank you for the chance and the opportunity to group 4, and we are focused on the engine. Today we will explain to you the procedure or the task card of the carburetor removal and installation and the idle speed and mixture adjustment. Okay, the first part will explain to you by Aziz from for the place and time I give you to Aziz. You can start.
Carburetor removal and installation. A. Place fuel selector valve in the off position. B. Remove engine cowling in accordance with paragraph 11 until 3. C. Drain fuel from strainer and list with strainer drain control. D. Disconnect throttle and mixer control at the carburetor. Next.
Okay, the next part will explain to you by Rahmat Hussein. Okay, Rahmat, you can start.
Okay, the next step is disconnect and cap or plug fuel lines at the carburetor. Step F is remove induction airbox. Step G is remove nut and washer attaching carburetor to intake manifold and remove carburetor. The last but not least step is reverse the preceding step for the installation. Use new gasket between carburetor and intake manifold. Check carburetor throttle arm to idle stop arm attachment for security. Proper torque and cutter pit installation at its normal engine inspection in accordance with figure 11.4.
Okay, the equipment and material and node safety and precaution will explain to you by Fatur Rahman. Fatur, you can start.
Okay, equipment and material, strainer drain control, wings, spring, thermometer, carburetor, gasket, nut or safety precaution, except for position, size and number of washer and spacer for reference on restoration.
Okay, the next procedure is the idle speed and mixture adjustment. We can start from Widi. Widi, you can start.
Okay, thank you, Randy. Idle speed and mixture adjustment. Since the idle RPM may be affected by mixture adjustment, it might be necessary to readjust idle RPM after setting the idle mixture. And the first A, start an engine, you nail paragraph 1156 and C, clear the engine by attaching the RPM to approximately 1000, the retard the throttle to the idle position. The engine RPM shall stabilize at 100 more or less 25. If not, adjust the idle into increase and out to decrease RPM. And D, after the idle speed has 600 more or less 25 RPM, move the mixture control
Okay, the next step will explain to you by Roland. You can start, Roland.
Okay, thanks, Randy. Point A, quickly return the mixture control to the full reach position before the engine stops. Point F, a momentary increase of approximately 25 RPM while slowly manually leaning the mixture is most desirable. An increase of more than 25 RPM indicates a rich idle mixtures, and an immediate decrease in RPM, if not preceded by a momentary increase, indicates a lean idle mixtures. Point G, if the idle mixtures to reach, turn the idle mixture adjustment center screw 1 or 2 notes in a clockwise direction as view from the aft end of the unit. Then
Okay. Okay, guys, can you hear me? The next step will explain to you by Zarani.
Okay, point H, if the idle mixture is too lean, turn the idle mixture adjustment center screw 1 or 2 knots in the counterclockwise direction as view from the aft end of the unit. Then repeat step D through F. This method of adjustment will give the desired idle RPM. If the adjustment do not remain stable, check the throttle and mixture linkage for evidence of where the improper rigging. Any looseness of the throttle and mixture linkage will cause erratic idling. In all cases, allowance should be made for the effect of weather condition upon idling adjustment. The relation the aircraft to the prevailing wind direction will have an effect on the propeller, load, and engine RPM. It is advisable to make idle adjustment with the aircraft crosswind. Thank you.
Okay, after the procedure, we can focus on the note and safety precaution. First, we'll explain to you by Faizi. You can start, Faizi.
Okay, thank you, Randy. Note and safety precaution. An engine should idle smoothly without excessive vibration. The idle speed should be high enough to maintaining idling oil pressure and to preclude any possibility of engine stoppage in flight when the throttle is closed. Okay, thank you.
Okay, and the last part of the note and safety precaution. After each adjustment to the idle mixer, run engine up to approximately 18,000 RPM to clear the engine of excess fuel and obtain a correct idle speed. Okay, that is the procedure of the idle speed and mixer adjustment, and that's the end of our explainable or presentation. Okay, thank you very much, and good luck.